Take a deep breath with me. Right now, forget everything you have to do. Forget what you think you should be. And ask yourself quietly, am I tired or am I carrying too much? Because if you're here, chances are you're exhausted. Not because you're weak, not because you're lazy, not because you're flawed. You're exhausted because you've been holding the weight of everything. The expectations, the pressure, the silent battles no one ever sees. And today, I want to help you set that weight down. Safely, lovingly, finally. The truth behind your feeling broken. When you can't focus, when you're staring at your screen paralyzed, when you're lashing yourself with guilt, you think it's you. You think you're failing. You think you're falling behind. But what's actually happening inside your body is survival. Your brain, your beautiful overloaded brain is not broken. It's protecting you. When your nervous system perceives too much, it shuts you down. It triggers what scientists call dorsal vagal collapse, the freeze part of the trauma response. Not fight, not flight, freeze. The same instinct a deer feels when it collapses to survive a predator. That's what your nervous system is doing, trying to save you. And yet, we shame ourselves for it. You're not lazy. You are protecting yourself with shutdown because you've had to survive for far too long. I work with some of the most brilliant, driven, compassionate people on the planet. And do you know what I see most? Not failure, not weakness. I see people whose greatest strength, their resilience, their drive, their sensitivity was weaponized against them. The inner critic says, push harder, work more, producing, keep serving, until your nervous system says, I can't carry this anymore. And what's tragic is, society praises the burnout. Society glorifies the exhaustion. Society applauds the collapse. Until you break, silently, alone. And that's what we're here to change today. When stillness feels unsafe. Have you ever tried to rest but felt worse? You sit down to relax and suddenly your skin feels itchy, your chest tightens, your brain screams, you forgot something, you should be doing more. This isn't random. This is neuro-associated fear, a trauma imprint. If growing up you were only loved when you performed, if love was earned by achievement, if rest meant criticism, punishment, or neglect, then your body learned, if I slow down, I am unsafe. This is not about laziness. This is about safety, programming, trapped in your cells, your fascia, your breath. And it's why pure willpower never fixes it. Healing your relationship with rest is a nervous system repair, not a productivity hack. And it starts right now. Let's reset together. Close your eyes. Feel your feet grounding into the earth. And place one hand gently on your chest, the other on your belly. Now breathe with me. Inhale through your nose to a count of 4. Hold gently for 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8. Again. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And I would like you to do it one more time at your own pace. And as you continue to breathe in that way, let's create a new imprint right now. As you breathe, repeat internally. It is safe to be still. It is safe to pause. I am enough even when I am resting. Feel the stillness between your breaths, the sacred gap, the space where your nervous system remembers you are safe, you are worthy, you are whole. And I want you to anchor this now. When you place a hand over your heart and breathe like this, you are creating a resource anchor, a direct portal back to safety anytime you need it. You're not failing because you need a break. You are succeeding because you're finally listening to your body. This world doesn't need more burned out warriors. It needs healed ones. It needs you, awake, rested, powerful, and full of life again. Drop a comment below and tell me, what are you ready to put down today? And share this video with someone who's carrying too much. You could be the reason they breathe again. And subscribe because this journey of healing, remembering, and rising, we're doing it together. Until we meet again, may you be at peace, may you be loved, may you be loved, and may your journey be filled with light and joy. Take care and be well.